Hey guys, this is Seth Turin, back once again, learning how to make money by building crypto bots. A few tutorials ago, we built this DCA bot, and this DCA bot goes into Coinbase once a week and purchases whatever the top 10 cryptos are. But maybe we don't want to hold our money on Coinbase. Maybe we want to hold all of our money in our own wallet with our own keys. And that's why we're going to go back today and we're going to edit our DCA bot to work with DeFi exchanges instead of Coinbase. Something else we've learned over the past few tutorials is how to take our money from Coinbase to Avalanche, and we do this by sending AVAX, how to turn that back into USD, or rather USDC, and then bridge that money over to PancakeSwap. Now PancakeSwap is a good place to do our DCA because on PancakeSwap we have all of the top 10 coins, whereas we did not have all of the top 10 coins on Trader Joe. Alright, let's go back to our bot. And real quick, let's just do a quick refresher on how our bot actually works. So we have this command, purchase crypto, and we have our scheduler set up to run this command every Monday at 9 a.m. In this command, we start out by configuring Coinbase, and then we create a list. This list pulls the top 10 coins from what is actually the CoinGecko API, and then it sticks it into a UBot list for us. Now we're going to loop through each of those coins. And in this loop, the first thing that we do is we set a variable called symbol, and this is the name of the coin. Now we take this variable coin that was part of our with each loop, and this is going to give us back a big object with a whole bunch of information. All we really want is that symbol entity, but it comes back to us in lowercase, so we're going to make it uppercase. So now that we have our symbol in uppercase, we're going to run this if command, and we're going to make sure that this is an eligible coin. And let's just peek at what this function is here. So we have this function that, given the name of the coin, we're going to return whether it doesn't contain one of these names. Let's jump back up. Okay, so if our coin is eligible, then we're going to set another variable that's the name of the specific exchange that we're making, which is going to be whatever the name of the coin is, the symbol -USD. And we're going to log to let ourselves know what we're doing. We're going to make the actual exchange, and then we're going to log the transaction data. And then we just wait a second, and then we continue on with the loop, looping through each of the top 10 coins. So by the end of it, this will have invested in about 6 coins, which, as we saw in our last video, is pretty close to the optimal number of coins to invest in. So all that's good. Let's jump back up to the top. And the first thing we need to do is get rid of this command here because we don't need to configure Coinbase anymore. This tutorial is going to already assume that you have some USDC in your BNB chain wallet. And if you're uncertain how to do that, then watch our previous tutorials and it'll show you how to get that set up. Alright, so we're going to replace that configure command with the config DeFi wallet. We'll click OK. Moving on, we still want to set our list of coins. We still want to run this loop. We still want to grab our symbol, that's fine. But now scrolling down, we don't really need this exchange variable anymore, so let's get rid of it. And we're not going to purchase crypto on Coinbase anymore, so let's get rid of that too. Instead, we're going to say swap tokens. The exchange is going to be PancakeSwap. The token in is going to be USDC, and the token out is going to be our symbol. And the amount, I believe we said it was 1667. And if I recall correctly, this was just $100 divided by 6, which is the number of tokens we're getting. And then, of course, our trusty txinfo variable. All right, looks good. Let's click OK. And we can leave this log because it's still using the same txinfo variable. And we're almost done, but there's one more thing we can change. Because now that we're doing PancakeSwap, we can actually buy this BNB token now. You remember that Coinbase had a limitation that they wouldn't let us buy BNB, but now we can buy it. So let's remove it from this list. And we'll click OK. And that's it. Our bot should be ready to go. And the schedule is already set up, so all I have to do is click run on schedule. And now every Monday at 9 a.m. we'll buy about $16 worth of each of the top 10 coins, or at least 6 of them. Alright guys, hope this was helpful. As always, the code will be down in the description, and I will see you next time.